Panasonic is about to drop something that every creator has been waiting for, and the leaks are getting louder. The Lumix G100 had one job: be the perfect camera for vloggers, small body, big ambitions. And honestly, Panasonic was onto something really special. But now everything is about to get a whole lot better. The rumors coming out of the camera world are pointing to a brand new Lumix G100 II, and if even half of what's being leaked turns out to be true, this little camera is going to absolutely dominate the content creation space. This is one of the most exciting camera releases we have seen in a very long time, and you do not want to miss a single detail. If this gets you excited, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe so you never miss an update, and share this with a fellow creator who needs to know about this. What if the perfect vlogging camera was actually one upgrade away from being legendary? That is exactly where Panasonic stands right now. The G100 had something special. Creators love the size, they love the price, they love the idea behind it. But every single time they hit record, that one weakness showed up. And Panasonic listened. They took notes, they went back to the drawing board, and what is coming next is something the creator community has been asking for a very long time. Trusted sources, inside reports, and the camera community have all been circling around one name for a while now: Lumix G100 II. And what is really turning heads is not just one leak, it is the fact that completely separate sources keep landing on the exact same details. That kind of agreement does not happen by accident. When the camera world starts connecting those dots, people pay attention, and right now a lot of people are paying very close attention to what Panasonic is quietly building. Let's talk about what is actually being leaked, and why each piece of information has the creator community so excited right now. The sensor. A 25.2 megapixel live MOS sensor pulled straight from the G9 II lineup. More detail, better performance, and a meaningful leap forward from anything the original G100 could offer. More pixels also means more room for digital stabilization, which is a big deal for handheld creators. Every single source, every leak, every report is pointing toward one thing: Panasonic is finally bringing their 779-point hybrid phase detection autofocus into the G100 II, the same intelligent system that completely transformed the G9 II, fast, reliable, and smart enough to lock onto a face and never let go. For vloggers, this is the upgrade that changes everything. This is where Panasonic could genuinely silence every competitor in this price range. Leaks are pointing toward 4K 60p and 4 to 2 to 2 10-bit. Professional grade color information in what is expected to be a compact and affordable body. That combination at this price level is almost unheard of. And then the community wish list. People are hoping for a fully articulating screen, something the original never had. A stronger battery that can actually survive a full day of shooting, and an upgraded version of that famous built-in directional microphone that creators already loved on the original G100. All pointing toward one thing: Panasonic is not just updating the G100, they are rebuilding it from the ground up. Here is the bigger picture, and this is the part that really matters. Right now, content creators looking for an affordable, compact, and capable camera are stuck in a very frustrating middle ground. Smartphone quality is not enough anymore, but professional cameras feel too big, too expensive, and too complicated for someone just starting to build their channel or grow their audience. The Lumix G100 II is being built exactly for that gap, and if these leaks are accurate, it fills that gap better than anything else on the market right now. Think about what a creator actually needs. They need a camera that stays focused on their face while they talk. They need video quality that looks clean and cinematic without color grading for hours. They need audio that sounds good straight out of the camera without buying extra microphones. They need a screen they can actually see while filming themselves. And they need all of that in a body small enough to carry anywhere. The G100 II, based on everything being reported, delivers on every single one of those needs. Phase detect autofocus that tracks faces, 4K 60p 10-bit footage that looks incredible right out of the camera, a built-in directional microphone that has always been one of the best in this category, a compact micro 4/3 body with access to a wide range of lenses. For a creator building their setup in 2025 and beyond, this camera could genuinely be the only tool they need. Now, this is the question everybody is asking: when is it actually coming, and what is it going to cost? On the release side, the rumors have been circling since late 2023, and while Panasonic has stayed completely silent officially, the consistency and frequency of leaks picking back up in 2025 and 2026 is telling a very interesting story. The camera community is increasingly confident that an announcement is closer than ever. Some insiders are pointing toward a 2026 window, and given how long these rumors have been building, that timeline feels very realistic. There is also something worth paying attention to here. Panasonic has been on a strong release run recently. The GH7, the S9, the S1 II, they have been delivering. The G line has been quiet for too long, and Panasonic knows it. The G100 II feels like the next logical move. On pricing, nothing is confirmed. But based on where the original G100 sat and the level of upgrades being rumored, the community is speculating somewhere in the range of $700 to $900 for the body. That would position it perfectly between the G97 and the G9 II, right in the sweet spot for serious creators who do not want to spend flagship money. Is that price worth it for what is being leaked? Based on everything we have covered today? Absolutely yes. So there you have it. Everything the leaks, the rumors, and the camera community have been saying about the Lumix G100 II, and honestly, the picture being painted is a really exciting one. Panasonic has always understood creators. They have always pushed video quality further than anyone expected at affordable prices. And if the G100 II delivers even half of what is being talked about right now, it is going to be one of the most important camera releases for content creators in a very long time. The waiting is almost over. And when that official announcement finally drops, you are going to want to be the first to know every single detail. So if you have not already, hit that like button right now, subscribe so you never miss an update, and drop a comment below telling us which upgrade you are most excited about. The autofocus, the 4K 60p, the sensor? Let us know. Because this conversation is just getting started. We will see you in the next one. One last thing before you go. Cameras like this do not come around very often. An affordable body, flagship-level autofocus, professional video quality, built-in audio that actually works, all in one compact package designed specifically for creators like you. The Lumix G100 II is not just another camera announcement. It is Panasonic telling the entire creator world that they are serious. And when it finally drops officially, this is going to be the one everybody is talking about. Stay tuned, because the best is absolutely still to come.